Welcome guys, today I am with this Amazon speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to remember to charge it at least to the 50%, and next you have to focus on this function panel with the buttons. We have to click and hold this button, so let's make it right now.
Powering on.
As you can see right now it's blinking, so it means that right now this device is visible to other phones, smartwatches, or for example the laptop, and we are able to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. You have to click to pair new device, and as you can see after that the speaker will be on available devices list. So we can simply tap on it once, accept the pairing request,
Connected.
and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.